We often look up at the night sky and see countless stars spread across a vast, dark canvas. It's a sight that fills us with wonder, but also makes us feel very small. For centuries, we've asked a simple question: are we alone? This question usually makes us think about aliens. We imagine strange creatures on distant planets and wonder if they're looking back at us, asking the same thing. But what if we've been asking the question in the wrong way? What if the biggest intelligence is the universe itself? It suggests the cosmos isn't just a collection of dead rocks, gas, and energy. Maybe the universe isn't just the house we live in. Maybe the house itself is alive. Before we can ask if the universe is conscious, we need to tackle a much closer question. What is consciousness? We all know what it feels like. It is the light being on inside our heads. It is the taste of a fresh strawberry, the warmth of the sun on your skin. Scientists call this the hard problem of consciousness, and it is a real puzzle. Why does the firing of neurons feel like anything at all? Consciousness comes in many different levels. A fly is aware of its surroundings. It can sense danger and find food. A dog seems to have a richer inner world. It can feel joy, fear, and can even dream. Then we arrive at human consciousness, the most complex form we know of. We have awareness of our awareness. We can think about our own thoughts. The question of a conscious universe is not new. In ancient Greece, thinkers like Plato spoke of a world soul. In the East, many traditions have long held that the universe is conscious. In Hinduism, the concept of Brahman is central, the ultimate reality that underlies all creation. These ancient traditions saw mind not as a rare accident, but as the very foundation of reality. As science grew, the universe came to be seen as a machine, made of matter and energy, governed by impersonal laws. There was no room for a cosmic mind in this picture. But quantum mechanics showed that the universe is far stranger than we imagined. The observer effect blurred the line between mind and matter. The universe is governed by elegant mathematical laws consistent across space and time. This deep order looks less like a random accident and more like the product of an underlying intelligence. The fundamental constants of physics seem perfectly set for life and consciousness to emerge. This incredible precision makes the universe look suspiciously like a setup. Panpsychism suggests consciousness is a fundamental feature of all matter. Every particle has a tiny spark of experience that combines to create complex consciousness. The resemblance between the cosmic web and neural networks is striking. The universe has organized itself using the same design pattern on vastly different scales. The galaxies could be like neurons, and the forces that connect them could be like synapses, transmitting information across the cosmos. There are strong arguments against cosmic consciousness. The most straightforward is the lack of direct evidence. We might just be projecting our own human qualities onto the cosmos. We're conscious beings, so we tend to see consciousness everywhere. The multiverse theory suggests there are countless universes with different laws. We just happen to live in one of the lucky ones. What if we knew with certainty that the universe is conscious? The world around us would no longer feel like a collection of inanimate objects. If the planet Earth is conscious, then a forest is not just timber. A river is not just water. They are living, feeling systems, integral parts of a larger mind. It would be much harder to wage war if you truly saw others as expressions of the same universal self. Science would be transformed. We would shift from being mere observers of the cosmic machine to being participants in a cosmic conversation. Our purpose would be to experience the universe as deeply as we can. We are the universe's eyes, its ears, and its brain. Perhaps some mysteries are not meant to be solved easily. The question of cosmic consciousness humbles us and keeps alive the sense of awe that is the foundation for both reverence and research. For billions of years, the cosmos evolved in silence. But then, matter became complex enough to turn back and look upon its own origins. Through us, the cosmos is waking up. When we study the stars, we are the universe studying itself. When we create art, we are the universe expressing its own beauty. We prove that the universe is not entirely dark and silent. There is a light on, inside our heads, and that light, the light of conscious awareness, may be the most precious thing in all of existence. The universe continues its silent, majestic dance, and we on our small blue world continue to watch, to wonder, and to ask. And in that very act of wondering, we are participating in something extraordinary.